Hey friends, if you are unable to connect audio and wireless display using Bluetooth on your computer, then please watch this video. Now, the issue could be with the hardware, so here's my suggestion. Try connecting your device to a different computer, and if it works, you can isolate this case, but if it doesn't, then here's what you can do. First of all, check the Bluetooth connections and settings. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, simply click on devices. When you click on devices, it will show all the input and output devices here. Do they show in this list? And if yes, then what is the battery percentage? Okay, if the battery percentage is low, I will suggest charging it. At times you may only notice the receiver here and not the complete device. So a hit and trial method would be to remove the receiver and then reconnect it, and that way you can find out which receiver is the correct one. So this is one part. Now if a device is connected to your system, even if it's not working, it will show in that devices list. The next thing that you can do is run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and then select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Okay. And the last solution will be to update Bluetooth drivers. And how are we going to do that? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and go to device manager. Expand the list of Bluetooth drivers, right click on the MediaTek one and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.